Good morning, this is topic 15, video D, and it's Sheryl Rosario and Misha alias.
Good morning, everyone. The question is, an unknown compound has the formula C sub X H sub Y. When 2.02 grams of the compound is burned in oxygen, you isolate 6.23 grams of CO2 and 2.87 grams of H2O. Now the question is, what is the empirical formula for the unknown compound? In order to do that, you need to first write the equation down, which we did. Now my partner is going to explain the chart.
So just like it was stated on the video, everything is made much simpler and quicker to do if we make this chart. So the first step to finding the empirical formula is to first obtain the individual masses of both carbon and hydrogen. And to do this, we need to use the fraction from the percent composition equation and then multiply this by the masses of carbon dioxide and water, respectively. So first for carbon, we do 12.01 grams divided by 44.01 grams times 6.23 grams, and we get 1.7 grams. For hydrogen, there's a special note here because since there are two, we do 2.016 grams over 18.016 grams times 2.87 grams, which equals 0.3211 grams. So the next step after finding the individual masses of carbon and hydrogen is to convert this mass to moles. So to do this, we multiply times moles per grams of the carbon and hydrogen, and we obtained the mass of carbon and hydrogen from the periodic table. So we do 1.7 times 1 mole over 12.01 grams, which equals 0.1415 moles for carbon, and then for hydrogen we do 0.3211 grams times 1 mole per 1.008 grams, which equals 0.3186 moles. Then to obtain the empirical formula, we need to obtain the smallest ratio, and to do this, we divide each of the moles by the smallest value. The smallest value here is carbon, so we divide 0.1415 by 0.1415, and we obtain the value of 1. Then for hydrogen, we divide 0.3186 by 0.1415 moles, and we get 2.25. Now, in order to get the empirical formula, it has to be with whole numbers. So to get this, we have to multiply 1 times 4 and 2.25 times 4, which equals 9. So our empirical formula ends up being C4H9.
So this was our question, which we did for topic 15, video D. And this is the answer we got. And thank you very much for watching. And our names are
Sheryl and Misha.
Thank you.